Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Servus. In today's video, we'll tackle a sound combination that is small but powerful, namely the pronunciation of PF in Austrian German. If you've ever struggled to pronounce words like Pferd oder Pfeffer, this tutorial will help you. The PF sound can be tricky, but with a little practice, you'll master it quickly. Let's dive into this tutorial. Here we go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to pronounce PF in Austrian German. We'll start with the basics, and then we are going to take a look at some examples. Let's start with the pronunciation. In general, the pronunciation of PF is similar to Standard German. In Austria, it might be pronounced a little bit softer. So, why is the PF sound considered to be challenging? The reason is that for many learners, especially English speakers, this sound doesn't exist in their native language. In German, P and F are pronounced as P and F whenever they stand alone. In combination with other letters, they become P and F. The key is to make the transition between P and F smooth and quick. Think of it as a single sound rather than two separate ones. PF becomes one sound without anything between the two letters, such as pf, pf. Now let's practice some common Austrian German words with the PF sound. Pfeffer, which means pepper, Pfeffer, Pferd, horse, Pferd, Pflanze, plant, Pflanze, Pfirsich, peach, Pfirsich, Pfropfen, plug, Pfropfen. Additionally, we can check out some sentences in which the PF sound occurs. We start with an Austrian German version, then the Standard German, and then we translate it into English. The first example: Ich brauche Pflaster. Ich brauche ein Pflaster. I need a band-aid. Ich mag Pfirsich. Ich mag Pfirsiche. I like peaches. Example number 3. Er trinkt ein Pfiff Bier. Er trinkt einen Pfiff Bier. He drinks a small beer. All in all, we can say that the PF sound is a little bit tricky, but if we pronounce it as a single sound, it should be easier. I hope this tutorial helped you to be more confident with Austrian German pronunciation. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. By the way, if you want to learn more about the CH sound in Austrian German, please check out my video about it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.